Hi, welcome to Ed's Eats. I'm Ed McFarland, the chef owner of Ed's Lobster Bar, and today we're going to show you some clips and footage from a shoot I did for the Today Show, making grilled shrimp Caesar salad and the grilled shrimp that we serve in our restaurant as an appetizer. So I'm ready to get started. Follow along. If you need the recipes, shoot us a DM. We'll send them right out to you. I have all my ingredients here, ready to go. We start with these beautiful butterfly jumbo shrimp. And you'll see how we have them cut open on the bottom. And the whole thing here is use whatever shrimp you're comfortable and you could get. Most likely everybody's using frozen shrimp and not fresh shrimp. So we're gonna get started here pretty easily. I have chopped garlic in a bowl already. We're gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna mix that around just to create a little garlic oil. We're gonna drop our shrimp in this bowl. We're gonna add our garlic oil right on top. Oh yeah, that's deliciousness right there. Who doesn't like garlic oil? Definitely love it. We're gonna put a pinch of red pepper flake, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper, and mix our shrimp around. We're gonna grill them on each side for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You'll see I have these beautiful shrimp already grilled and ready to go. We have our parsley salad right here, beautiful colors, garlic chips, pickled red onion, parsley, a little bit of our garlic oil on top, and we're just gonna put these beautiful shrimp right on top. And that's how simple it is to make our beautiful grilled shrimp salad at Ed's Lobster Bar. So let's move right along to the Caesar salad. And the first thing I have here is I have my bowl already with mustard and olive oil in it. I'm just gonna leave that on the side. And I have my garlic already macerating, ready to go to press it out. And we're just gonna easily just crush the garlic with the side of the knife and press it down. Give yourself enough space. The salt really softens the garlic really well. And we're gonna press it and make it almost into like a full-on paste. Look how great this is. The salt did all the work for us. I mean, look how easy and simple that is. It's all soft and basically pureed. We do a quick chop on that just to make sure that it's not stringy and stuck together. We're going to drop that into our bowl. We're gonna come over to the stove really quickly. I have my egg, one of my beautiful fresh farm eggs from my own chickens. We're gonna drop that in the water for 15 seconds and I have a timer going on the side. We're going to take the egg out and just shake it off. I'm gonna put it down right on the board. I'm gonna take a spoon and we're gonna crack the egg. And let me do this so you can see everything coming out. It's really not cooked. It's just a little warmed inside just to help it coagulate. We wanna make sure we scrape everything out of the eggshell. Getting all that good stuff out of there. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt in here, a little pinch of pepper, and we're gonna whisk this really hard to combine it together, and you'll see how easy this is to make this wonderful Caesar dressing. Pretty quick, simple, and easy. I have my greens here. We're gonna add Parmesan cheese to the greens. We're gonna add a little bit of chopped anchovy. We're gonna add our English muffin croutons, which we pre-baked after we cut them at 250 degrees until they were crisp. We're gonna put our dressing right on top. Oh yeah, look at that, it's beautiful, super nice and thick. If you wanna wear a glove here, wear a glove. I'm gonna do this with my bare hand. And look at this, we have this beautiful Caesar salad. Get everything out of there, all that goodness out of the bowl. And we have our grilled shrimp. We're gonna put our grilled shrimp right on here. Nice piece of lettuce. And that's it. That's our grilled shrimp Caesar salad and our shrimp parsley salad.